Your referee for this match, Jimmy Jameson. Wrestlers, are you ready? 3, 2, 1, battalion, are you ready? Let's make this shit official. 3, 2, 1,
Our opening contest is underway, and we got the four-way cuddle puddle. Very grande. We do, and they are all.
We should Rochambeau for it.
Sweetheart style. I respect it. I don't see it.
1, 2, 3, shoot! Go!
I believe there may have been the first ever solid steel Rochambeau. Solid steel! Oh, and Indiana Jones capitalized. Pitbull Joe.
Covers rock! Yeah! I kind of had to.
Yeah, he knew this one time. Oh! Stamps the passport. One-way ticket to Europe. Another European uppercut. Sonic Joe! Oh! That's gotta hurt. Rolls through the snapmare. Looking for a push. No! Pitbull Joe one step ahead. Keep it up. Oh! The bird! And Herman just went to prom. In the bracket, everybody is down. Holy fuck. The bird is the only man, the only bird standing, rather. Sonico making his way to his feet, going after Bird McClure. Runs right into the talons of the bird. Round and around he goes. Remember to get the fuck out of the way, Mark? Pitbull Joe cuts the bird off. You had to think something was going to happen. And now the student becomes the teacher. Professor Jones up and over. Pitbull Jones going outside, taking out Sonico in the solid steel fedora. Solid steel! Herman, you have something. No, Pitbull's looking to take the mask. Holy fuck! Herman Nordstrom looking at the pile of bodies on the outside. Climbing up the rope. Going to the high rate district. Herman, we've calculated his death after me. No. Let's go. Nope. Step by step. Day by day.
Yes! Yeah!
Holy crap!
Holy cow! Holy cow! Holy cow! Holy cow! Holy cow!
Herman got at least 10 feet of air with that. It was amazing. Well, actually,
Yes!
we all know Pitbull Jones teaches flat earth beliefs at a college on the weekend. But right now in the ring, Garrett, oh no, Sonico, stop hitting yourself! Herman winds up.
Let's get nerdy!
Keep an eye on Jones. Pitfall. There's one close line. Sonico rolled out the way. Oh! Pitfall coming out hard. Sonico hits the rope. Jones up and over. Sonico rolls through. Catches the punch. Drops it. Oh boy. Sonico takes the hand. Hits the ropes. Whoa. Oh man, that's gonna leave a lot of things, including a mark. And the slam from Pitfall.
McMurray breaking up that bout. This match continues, Battalion.
Bird with 2 kicks to the face. That'll melt your face, arc in the comeback style. Oh no! Pitfall Jones locks in the chicken wing.
We got the bird and chicken wing.
Come on, man, we never lock a bird in a chicken wing. Offensive. Herman fired away with a few lariats. Knee to the face of Pitfall. Herman stuck in a nerd hole. Pitfall ducks out of the way, wisely hitting the floor to get out of harm's way. The nerd rage is definitely flowing here tonight. Herman stacks him up. I think I know what
Coming out of
Herman's
his
thinking.
rear view.
Come on, don't do it, everybody!
He's got the inhaler.
Oh, the Pitfall Jones stealing an inhaler. Open dirt.
Puff, puff, pass. He stole his inhaler. What a dick. Jones rolls out of harm's way. He's still got it. No, Jones is pumping up. Jones is pumping up. Pitfall, you should have covered your heart, buddy.
But Herman Nurse regained his inhaler.
See, Pitfall didn't shake it up. Everyone else gets to shake up an inhaler for it to work. Oh, boy. For all the nuggies, for all the swirlies, for all the times he was stuffed into a locker, Herman's getting nerve red. Body slam. Doctor drop. Somebody's getting sued, brother.
Right up with a double axe handle. Remember, this is one fall to a finish. Anyone's match. Everyone is down except for the bird. Drawn up, trying to pull him up the top rope.
Bird. Oh no! And Herman's got him up in the Nerdstrom rack! It's not even the one-day sale, Nerdstrom rack! No! Oh, God!
Herman's gonna need some more tape from his glasses after that.
We're gonna get his face after that. Oh no, Pitfall! Pitfall Jones going for the mask! Oh my God! Holy shit! Bird is with us! Pitfall Jones stole the mask, but the bird nailed him with the sliced bird number 1! Hey, Leonard, who won that match?
Your winner,
The Deal?